So 2 months ago in this video, I said this. And with that all done, I can finally temporarily retire from the game in peace. Well, that lasted until what most people in the community will call it the November 11th 2025 incident. To give a quick rundown, just need to know that the Gods mechanic rework came early, some cards and skills got buffed. Games essentially dropped this update out of nowhere that day and caught everyone by complete surprise, because apparently this update was supposed to be implemented only on first anniversary update, like the Japanese server. So this single gesture by Cygames just turned the next few champions meeting in global server to complete free-for-all instead of only a few Umas dominating the racetracks. It's like Cygames just turned on the purge mode in the global server. Anyways, this incident for some reason just gave me the needed motivation to try out this game again. Well, to be more precise, try harding champions meeting again. But the main difference this time is that instead of blindly copying what JP server used to do, cause that's obviously not the play anymore, I am going to try doing things partially my own way. So in this video, I will try and see if I can help my top favorite Uma, Nice Nature, into making it into the Libra Cup Group A finals, and even try to help her get her first ever Platinum CM title as an ace. Can I come out on top even though I'm like kind of broke in game? Or will I inevitably get washed by all my other opponents much more correct Umas? This is the story of how Nice Nature attempts to survive Uma Musume Global's Deadliest tournament. So about the racetrack in Libra Cup and why is it so bad? There's mainly two reasons. One, it's a long race, so you need a lot of stamina to sustain throughout the entire thing, else your Uma may collapse before even reaching the late race. And two, the racetracks have these uphills that makes you go raw. Like, it's not even a slope, that's a whole damn mound. So yeah, making an ace that maximizes all three speed, stamina, and power as much as possible, all while doing an even bigger gambling fest than the original URA finale scenario is just simply not an easy task. Then we have our team members. Most people will usually just refer to guides made by well-experienced players to use the best possible strat to win CM. But as for me, I'll be doing a very unconventional strategy in tackling CM, which is what I would like to call it the Oshi maxing strat. The general idea is that you just build an ace of your choice as the only win con, then the remaining two members will only serve as trash talk as opponent debuffers. For this CM specifically though, Stamina Eater is probably one of the most useful debuffs, cause like I said before, high stamina is like super important here, so sabotaging your opponents in that department may very well change the tide of a race. Yeah, boy. Same goes to other stamina debuffs, and speed debuffs are still generally pretty good. So in the end, This is the lineup that I'll be going with after many days of preparation and modeling for countless poor friendship trainings and training failure RNG. This is legit the best I could come out with, whatever that I had. Now, all that's left is to wait for the real thing to start and hope my team doesn't fumble the bag. Round 1 have officially begun. Man, I sure hope nothing kills my motivation this early on. This was bad. Is Nice Nature really about to get some PTSD at just the first race already? Well, that was a rough start already. Great. Before more races down the line for this first ticket, at the time, I wasn't really sure if she can still get at least 3 wins or not. So yeah, Nice Nature decided to lock the flick in and just did such an amazing job. The remaining 2 tickets I didn't really bother recording since our goal was already met anyway, so here's some screenshots for the final results. Also, during one of those races, Nice Nature managed to meet someone else's Tokai tail and get her sweet revenge. With that, here's the stats for round 1 day 1. Day 2 of round 1, I still only used 3 tickets total, and let's just say we did much worse than yesterday by winning only 5 out of 15 matches only. Tomorrow, the real challenge shall actually begin. We entered round 2 day 1 while being optimistic of what we're about to face, cause why not? Why wouldn't I put my full faith on her? But as it turned out, I wouldn't even need to wait long for everything to end at all, as the end results had all been proven by the harsh reality. Yeah, whenever I got 3 losses in a ticket, I just straight up concede my 10 run cause I see no point in continuing any further. By getting only a single win after using all 4 tickets of the day 1 ended in a total tragedy. Now I have to put all my hopes onto day 2 and hopefully she can make a comeback. Day 2 started off with the first 2 tickets, making me click the retire button early. So at that point, I already have very little hope about making it onto Group A finals. I was actually already deciding to just give up until this happens.
そしてアグネス・ターキーを少し後ろから7番マンハッタンカフェ内を回って4番ナイスネイチャー、さらに1番マンハッタンカフェ内をついて5番ナイスネイチャー、さらに内グラスワンダー第4コーナーを進んで直線。
共に勝つぞ。
Yeah, baby!
Nice Nature finally decided to take things seriously. Now all we need is one more victory and the rest will be history. Please, Nice Nature, please do your best and try not to screw this up.
美しい青スタートです。各馬娘揃って綺麗なスタートを切りました。
最後の局面です。
まだ差がある。ここから先頭を捉える子は出てくるのか。この直線で勝負が決まると栄光まで400。最終コーナーを曲がって先陣を切ったのはメジロマックイーン。メジロマックイーン強い、強すぎる。残り200。メジロマックイーン、これは決まったか。後ろは大きく離れたぞ。
Sometimes, whenever faith gives you something, faith also immediately takes it away from you. I heard certain people say everyone will eventually get their own happy endings, but unfortunately for us, today is not that day, and with us later on getting only one win for the 4th ticket for the day, all that's left for us is just the Group B finals, like how things usually went in the past. Here we go. I have no idea how this will turn
4
out.
番人気3番ナイスネイチャー。
ライバルたちは強力ですが、
ついにここで頂点が決まります。ライブラ杯決勝。現在1番人気はここまで無敗三冠馬娘アグネスタキオン、続く2番人気は2冠馬娘スペシャルウィーク、注目のグランプリ馬娘ナイスネイチャー、3枠3番での出走。
私が一番期待している馬娘、気合い入れてほしいですね。
各馬娘ゲートに入って体勢整いました。今スタートが切られました。各馬娘揃って綺麗なスタートを切りました。
誰が先頭に抜け出すか注目しましょう。
長丁場のこのレースですが、オグリキャップ早くも先頭に躍り出た。先頭から大沢3番手1馬審査ゴールドシップ、残り1000メートルを通過。マンハッタンカフェ追走スペシャルウィーク並びかけてきた。カート審査グラスワンダー外でナイスネイチャー内エアグルーブ。さあアグネスタキオンここで先頭です。2馬身3馬身開いてオグリキャップ外から行くライスシャワー、間もなく第4コーナーカーブ。
勝負どころ、最後の直線へとかけていきます。
さあいよいよ直線だ。どのタイミングで誰が仕掛けるのか。まだ差がある。ここから先頭を捉える子は見るだけじゃ
甘い。
ナイスネイチャー、前を狙っていると栄光まで400。最終コーナーを曲がって最初に立ち上がったのはアグネスタキオン。ナイスネイチャー食らいついていく。200を通過、強いアグネスタキオン。リードは6馬身、3番手争いはライスシャワーマンハッタンカフェアグネスタキオン。足色は衰えないアグネスタキオン、強い走りだ。このレースの主役は間違いなくこの子でした。やりましたアグネスタキオン。強豪が集うこのレース
No stopping me, doesn't even proc.
の勝者に輝きました。2着ナイスネイチャー、3着マンハッタン。まさかの2着じゃん。
これからも精進あるのみだな。
Well, there it is, folks. To no one's surprise, we couldn't even get the gold title in the end. Although this time we do not manage to succeed. But just to be clear, we will never give up. To be more specific, I will not stop my endeavors until I manage to make Nice Nature the strongest Uma Musume there is. Mark my words, this is not how this ends. I'll be back.